Hello, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on when you're watching this video. My name is Nwachukwu Chisom Emmanuel, the State Director of Westfield Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited in Abia State. I am doing this tutorial video right now, to show my CEOs and their secretaries that are currently working on the soft copy of the beneficiaries that were sent to them from head office. We discovered a couple of mistakes, and we cannot work with this document except we are able to tidy the areas that are reflecting errors or omissions. I told you people the things we need to do, that I'm going to show it to us via this tutorial video, and that is the purpose for this video right now. So as you watch this video, please make sure you follow it step by step to be able to do the right thing, and send me the edited copy. Now, what do I mean by edited copy? The soft copy I sent to you, obviously the one that has certificate number. Remember why I created this certificate number? I created this certificate number so that we are going to write the cert number at the back of this certificate. It's a security code. We want to make sure the documents we are giving out to the beneficiaries, we are very, very careful with them. You know, people can just come up with something. They can just create these certificates, just make copies of it, come to you and claim that you gave them when you did not issue out the certificate. So this certificate number are going to help you secure the system. It is going, you need to write these certificate numbers at the back of the certificates, at the back of it, not on the page of the certificate. Please be careful about that. That is number one. Number two, the documents I gave to us that came from head office, I mean the attendance list of the beneficiaries that was recorded during the training section at CKC, you have your copy. And now you work with that attendance list, work with the soft copy that you are looking at the screen now. You're also going to, sorry about this place that is black, that is the phone contacts of the beneficiaries on this soft copy. I had to hide it for obvious security reasons, so that people will not hijack this record. Okay, now when you check the attendance list that you have, and you saw Emmanuel Nwachukwu as one of the people that attended the training section on the list, what do? You use your own register, extract the name from the lot of the attendance register. You know that attendance register is mixed up, so use your own register, extract the name of Emmanuel Nwachukwu, because you have seen it on that register. You extract it from that particular place, write it on your own ledger, on your own register. Now you come to this place, this software, and click Control F. When you click Control F, for instance, Control F is a command you use to find something on the Excel sheet. Very easy for you. Now when you click Control F, remember we are looking for Emmanuel Nwachukwu. You can search Nwachukwu, you can search Emmanuel, you can search the phone contact. So if you search the surname, it didn't take you to that place. Search the first name, search the second name, or you search the phone contact. I hope you get me now. Right. Now let's just search Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Good. Now you click on Find All. Now look at what happened here. This place now just got circled. You see, it's been highlighted. Look at this place, the color just changed. Look at this place, the color just changed. Here the color changed, and it shows you that this is where what you have searched just took you. And if you look at this place now, you will discover that, look at this place, there are 21 cells found in the course of the search. What does that mean? It simply means there are so many other Emmanuels that this thing could find. You can click on them. If you click on this place now, please, it takes you directly to that place. Look at it. Number 55. Akanwa Ifenywa. Sorry, Ifeanyi Emmanuel. That's another one. In that order. If it is Njoko, click Njoko. Look at it. Are you seeing it now? Let's check this one again. You see? Friday Emmanuel. You see? You're seeing it. It's very, very easy. Now you click on Eze Nkemjika Emmanuel. You just click on it. It takes you to that place. So now you are able to find the name on the soft copy, and it is already on this particular attendance list. Take note of that. Just write it down. Now you don't just write it down. The system I've just created for us to be sure of what we're doing. Assuming you have found this, let's just say that this is the correct name, Ulanya Chinyere Innocent, and it's on the attendance register, and you have checked your ledger, the ledger you photocopy, that's the manuscript you wrote and photocopy before you sent your project data to the head office. You're going to check the record and make sure that the names are also reflecting on that particular ledger. I will come to the ledger after now. Now, when you discover this name, it is on the attendance list, and you now write the certificate. You write the name of this person on the certificate. Please make sure you are able to do all these things before you start writing on the certificates. Now, when you find this name, you're going to write this name exactly the way it is on the original ledger, the ledger you photocopied. That's where you get the correct name, because we have discovered that there are some mistakes, typographical errors on this particular page. Now, write the name on the certificate. When you write the name on the certificate, turn the back of that certificate and write this certificate number for me, please. Write this certificate number. And you come to this place, click on this place. It will highlight this area. Go to this place, choose a color. You see, I chose this color, or I think this one. Just click on it. The color highlights this place. This is the color I've chosen to highlight the certificates, the places I've worked for the certificate. It simply means I've been able to work on these areas. I will go to another place. So when you open the soft copy, you will be able to see these ones that are highlighted. It simply means I've been able to find their names on the attendance list and also discover their names on the soft copy. So I will highlight them, and that will help me to know those ones I've not been able to work on. It's obvious that it could be that they did not attend the seminar, or they attended the seminar, maybe their certificate is not here yet. You understand? But it will help you to know those you have been able to fish out their certificates. Then after doing this, what do? You click on save. You click on save. Please, you need to do this. If you don't click on save, whatever thing you did on this page might not be saved. Maybe the next time you open this particular document, you might not be able to see some of the things you did before you close it. Hope we'll get that. Now, the second aspect, please, remember, most of the CEOs will be complaining that the soft copy that was sent to us is not corresponding with the manuscript, the ledger you photocopied that you have. Yes. Now, mistakes is inevitable. What do you do at this point in time? You need to reconcile the records, your ledger and the soft copy. Remember this. Get your ledger at hand. Now, start from number 1. Now, when you come to the number 1, obviously, the people that prepared this document, this soft copy, may have not done it in the order of your ledger. Yes, but what do? What you need to do now, on your ledger, the first name is Nwachukwu Emmanuel, and you want to check if Nwachukwu Emmanuel is on this soft copy. You type Ctrl F. Now, when you type Ctrl F, remember you can search the surname first, you can search the second name first, you can search the phone contact. My phone contact is not showing here because I want to be careful with what I'm doing. This video might get in the hands of people that might use it wrongly. That's why I'm hiding my phone contacts. So you don't expect to see the phone contacts here. Now, But when you are doing your own, you don't need to hide your phone contact because you are not doing a public video. This is a public video that I'm doing now. So I want you to take note of that. Now you search Emmanuel. Click on Emmanuel. You are able to see Emmanuels, and you see this place is being secluded. It simply means that this is one of the Emmanuels, and I have 21 of them now. Now check your ledger whether this Emmanuel is the Emmanuel you are looking for. The phone contact, does it correspond? The names, are they the same thing? If they are the same thing, on your ledger, tick good. Just tick it, mark it good. You have checked that one, it is on your ledger. By the time you finish this exercise, you would have been able to identify those names that are on your ledger, that are on your manuscript, that are not on the soft copy. Now, when you discover them, assuming you typed this rubbish name that I'm typing now, I know it will not be on this soft copy, and you click find. Look at it. It is telling you Microsoft Excel cannot find the data you are searching for. Okay? Now, this name, assuming it is on your ledger, but it's not on the soft copy, and you want to make sure you do the right thing by correcting it. Now, remember, before you start doing this copy you are working on is a duplicate. Don't do this on the original copy I sent to you. Duplicate it, just copy it out, paste it somewhere, and start doing this job. Do not edit the original copy. Copy it out. Copy the original out. Copy it out, paste it somewhere, and start doing what I'm telling you now. Okay. Now, this name is not reflected. What do? You will now check. This name is already on the ledger, but it's not on the soft copy. Now, since it is not here, because this is a duplicate copy you are working on, or the edited copy, whatever thing you name it, you click here, then right click on it. You will see insert. Click insert. There's a space here. You can now write this rubbish name. What is that? I think Traeeww. Now that's the name you are looking for. It's on the ledger, it's not on the soft copy. Put the address, blah blah blah. Put the project data, blah blah blah. Put the amount, blah 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 blah. Then you type the phone contact, type the I'll leave this place open. Leave the certificate number open. After these corrections, we are going to, once it is effected by the IT department of our head office, we can now create the certificate numbers for all these people. But for now, leave the certificate place open. Now, when you do this, you have succeeded in putting in what is not reflecting on your ledger in your soft copy. Then you click here again. Just click on this particular place. Go to the color. You might decide to use shading of color of characters, but I prefer the entire row to be shaded with red, so that when you see the red color, you know that these ones have they need your attention. Now, when you do this to all of them from number 1 to the last number, you would have been able to key in those missing information from the ledger on your soft copy. Assuming where the information or what the mistake is on project, only shed the project. If the project is where the problem is, correct here and shed this particular place. For instance, if you click on this place now, you see, it's been able to change the color of this place. So when they see it, they will be able to know that this is where the problem is. Other information are correct, but this is where they need to pay attention. Now, if the name is entirely missing out, use this one so that everything will be reflected. Now, these ones are where you've been able to find the certificate and you've written on the certificate. You've taken the certificate number. You can now write it this way. Thank you for watching this video. I need your questions. When you watch this video, anything you did not discover or anything you didn't find from this video, make sure you get back to me. My name is Nwachuki Chisom Emmanuel. My phone contact 070-3969-3253. Get in touch with me and I will tell you what to do.